How to chainsaw to Casper. First, make sure you can do this no comply fakie big spin. Roll fakie in this foot position and keep your hand ready to grab like this. Then practice the no comply trick with the grab, which is called a chainsaw. If you can do this one, you're ready. So for this trick, when you grab the board, just flip it half and try to catch it like this, which is called a Casper. From there, you finish the rotation and try to flip it out, which you can also practice separately, like here. If you can do this, just put the steps together and do the actual trick. Once you get comfortable with the trick on flat ground, like here, also make sure to maybe try it on a bank, which I like it most for. Good luck and have fun!